Movie Camera. Welcome to Technology Hub. Glowing Star, your ultimate source for the latest in tech news, trends, and updates. Today, we're diving into Instagram's bold new move that's shaking up the video editing world. Let's get started. Cut to title screen. Instagram debuts new video editing app, Edits, Post on Camera. Hey tech enthusiasts. Big news from Instagram this week. They've just announced a brand new video editing app called Edits, which many are already comparing to TikTok's popular editing tool, CapCut. What's the buzz about? Let me break it down for you. On screen text. TikTok ban sparks innovation. Instagram's launch of Edits comes at a critical time. With TikTok facing a federal ban in the US, Instagram seems ready to step in and fill the gap. The timing couldn't be more perfect. Post on Camera. Visual of Adam Mosseri speaking. According to Instagram's head, Adam Mosseri, their mission is clear. No matter what happens, we think it's our job to make the most compelling creative tools for those of you who create videos. On screen text. What is Edits? So, what exactly is Edits? This app is designed to give creators a robust video editing experience directly on their phones. You can save ideas for later, edit like a pro, and post your content across multiple platforms, not just Instagram. That's right, whether you're creating for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or any other platform, Edits has you covered. Visual. App Store preview of Edits, starting today. iPhone users can pre-order Edits in the Apple App Store, and Android users, don't worry. The app is coming your way in February. On screen text. Instagram's strategy to outpace TikTok. Instagram isn't new to mimicking TikTok's success. Remember when they introduced Reels back in 2020? Now, Reels is one of the most popular features on both Instagram and Facebook. With TikTok's future in limbo, Instagram is gearing up to attract displaced users and advertisers. A recent survey revealed that if TikTok disappeared, 29% of users would turn to Reels, while 23% would lean toward YouTube Shorts. For advertisers, Instagram is leading the pack. Over 56% of ad buyers prefer Reels for their campaigns, making it a dominant force in the short video space. Post on Camera. Instagram's launch of Edits isn't just a new feature, it's a bold move in the tech world. With TikTok facing serious challenges, Instagram is positioning itself as the ultimate destination for creators and advertisers alike. What do you think? Will Edits become your go-to video editing app? Or is TikTok still king in your book? Let me know in the comments below. Outro. Upbeat music fades in. Bell, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Technology Hub for all the latest updates in tech. See you in the next video. End screen. Subscribe button and playlist links.